Today you are working asynchronously in your Friday, May 21st folder. If you click on your folder, there are 3 things you need to do. One is bookworms, written response, listen to chapter 7 again, watch the video, and complete bookworms page 86. Make sure you submit your assignment over here. You hold up the page so that I can see it. Hold it still, hold it up there long enough for me to see it, and also make sure you read your page to me. When you're done, go back to Friday. Number 2 is word study. For word study, you are going to click on the Jamboard. You're going to click again, click make a copy. Remember, you are going to sort your words. You're going to have to pay attention. If the word has 2 vowels next to each other and ends in CH, you will put it here. If it ends with a T and then CH, you will put it here. All the other words that have a consonant and then CH, you will put in this column. So you are going to sort your words, leave it open. You are going to go back to word study and you are going to copy your word sort down onto page 53 in your workbook. When you are done copying it down onto page 53, you need to submit your page over here. When you're finished, go back to Friday. Number 3 is handwriting. For handwriting, you're doing cursive V. Watch the video, do page 118, and submit your assignment over here. If you finish all of those things, what should I do when I am finished? 1, make sure you submitted all of this week's assignments. I will go over that with you in a minute. Number 2, go to your fluency folder and practice reading. Number 3, go to your word study practice folder and practice the blending board. Number 4 is Epic. Number 5 is Zearn. Number 6 is Dreambox. If you finish all of these things, go back and do your fluency folder. Go back and do your word study words practice. You can go back to Epic, go back to Zearn, go back to Dreambox. I should not have any student that says, I don't have anything to do. There are plenty of things for you to work on while I am not here. The assignment you need to make sure that you finished. Monday, May 17th, asynchronous day. Make sure you turn that in. Make sure everything there is complete. Go to your white folder. Go to bookworms or handwriting. You need to make sure that you finish Tuesday's assignments and turn them in, and Thursday's assignments and turn them in.